Friends, here I started my ecognition training where I'm going to show you a simple demonstration of how do we segment high resolution image. In this demonstration, I'll be using a demonstration image as the Sentinel-2 image of a certain cell here in Rwanda. So when you start ignition with trimble, it appears like this. What you do is to move your cursor here, then you try to minimize this table. Let me put it here. You can see now cross hierarchy, process tree, feature view, image object information. All of this will be needed just for our processing image. So because I didn't have created any projects before, I'm going to create my project today, and I will create a new project. You come here and you create a new project as you see. Okay, let me create, and here you should rainbow it. Let me to some kind of images. Okay, this is not what I really want. My short image is in let me go to here and see. Let me go take some. Let me say it's in user. Let me say now let's go home. Let's see document. In documents there are a lot of things. Let's open in ArcGIS. I'm in ArcGIS. Then I will be coming here in chan to see if I do have an image within this. How did I call it? Do you see any friends? Do you see any? I bet no any here. So this time it means you don't remember where did you save your project you see. Let me come again. You create new projects. It opens. Let me for example take my way to be this, or let me take my good here. So to have a great image, then I will click OK. Here I will be having different boundaries. As you can see, my image is composed by 6 bands, and when you double click in one band, it gives you where to edit. Then you for example type red, then you hit OK, you do the same here. We now have a green, then you hit OK. You put it here what you call here like blue, then you hit OK. You come here, you hit this is near infrared band, then you hit OK. Then here I have short waves. It's really okay. Let's call it 1 because we'll be having another which is 2, and let's call this 3. Okay, then you hit OK. You can even insert thematic layer. This can be like a shapefile or media you want to work with, and you can click here to subset selection so that the ecognition developer will process your image very efficiently in short time. You don't deal with the whole image. The better you click here, you see now you have very big images. Okay, I see. Like for example take a certain part here, like let me take a party here, then I say OK. After making this all OK, I will hit OK. Let us wait. to see what ecognition bring with us. So guys, here you see my image very clear, actually very clear. You can see this is water, but you can't recognize it. Okay, you can zoom in. So here are some built-up, here is vegetation as you see, here is water. So here you see it's a built-up, this is a lot, and whatever you see, this is some small urban. As you can see, this is also another urban. The image is not visible very well. Good. This is my image. If you come here on edit image where mixing, you click and you can see that, for example, put the infrared here so that our vegetation will become red, and let us make this green, and remove this, and let us make this blue, and erase this. So actually you have to go and revise for different nature or bunch combinations, because when you combine this kind of combination means it's natural first color of your images. So as you can see here, a vegetation will be red and the rest will be like built up, like water and etc. We are now going to do our segmentation. What we have to do here is to come on your process tree. Then in process tree you right click to append new. This place is like you are going to write a book, and we start by adding chapter. Then let us add chapter. In this chapter, come here and write segmentation. Segmentation. Right here, okay. Then in segmentation, I'm going to insert a chart, so it's a sub chapter. I will be putting a chart here, and I will choose the algorithm to be used here. The algorithm to be used here are a lot of segmentations, and I would like to use multi-resolution segmentation, which is very famous and accurate when community day here. So I choose this. When I choose this, they take me to different conditions here. Then I set it up right existing level. Let me say yes, or you can just put here level 1. Okay, you see it. Then you come here on image layer weights. You see these are the weights of different image, because vegetation reflect more effectively in near infrared bands. Let me increase here and put it to tell me software that it is going to focus pastry on near infrared band. Okay, then I come here on the thematic layer usage, nothing to change because I didn't include my thematic layer. But here on scale parameter, this is just a tools to this focuses on just you wish the pixels of a like, the pixels that a like are combined together, and what is scale parameter. So let me increase a little bit and make it like funny. Okay, fat will be good as we see. Let me come here and let me enhance a little bit on the shape. Let me put like 0.3, and let me, for my created object to be compacted very well, let me increase it here and put like 7. So here you can click OK. Then you have things here. What we are going to do is to right click and execute, and you see here the segmentation will start, and they are showing 30 seconds remaining for our segmentation to be done. So now my segmentation is done. So as you can see in my image, I have already grouped my images into a group of objects. So I will be able to classify them based on this category of different objects classified within this. Actually, this is a very good segmentation. As you can see, we have a lot of objects. For sure, we have a lot of objects, which tells this segmentation is going to be very good and accurate. So this is what targeted segmentation. For example, let me put it something like here. I click in image object information, then I select the feature to display. Where I click here, then let me go to see in my objective features. Then I choose like layer values, then I put like mean, then let me choose to represent blue, to represent green, to represent the infrared, to represent red, and no, that's not enough. So then I say okay. So when I click on a certain object here in the vegetation, because vegetation is there in the natural forest color, you can see here that red is very big than any other things except near infrared. As I said, vegetation reflects much in near infrared than in any bands. So I can create another customized feature like NDVI, which can help me to to further classify this image. Actually, I'm really appreciating your support. Please, you have to subscribe on this channel in spatial data I trust. By my name, I'm Timothy Mukunzi. I was showing you how to do image segmentation. I hope you have enjoyed. This is what we call image segmentation. I remind you that I have used a good resolution image called Sentinel-2H image of 2019. Thank you very much. If you have any question, please you better comment on the link or you comment on different social media I've uploaded on my account. Please don't forget subscribe. Laudato si mi signore. Be blessed, my Lord. Thank you.